This 2 days test Skype inside the disease robot found that it is not bad. Oh, mainly because it can access the internet, that this robot how to find it in the search bar to play the disease. It will come out and then talk to it on it, for example. I want it to give me different countries' debt to GDP ratio. That it gave me a list that some are 2020, some are 2019. The original Japan, Greece, Singapore, Italy, the United States. This ratio is very high because I remember Warren Buffett's grandfather said in about 60% is normal, and then for example I asked it to check the Detroit year population loss is the most powerful 2 years is lost, how many percent he said is 4. For example, because Malaysia is a Muslim country, I asked him what the Muslim church is allowed to do. The first is to worship other idols, the second is to eat pork and blood, and so on and so forth. What is the punishment for stealing? They believe that Islam considers stealing to be a serious crime that is punishable by beheading, so it is important to check the taboos of people before moving there.